children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes. So children, today I will take English for LKG. Okay children. So before English we learn about, yes children, we learn about verbs of body movement. Yes children, verbs of body movement. Children, every day our body movement here and there. Okay children. So sometime we'll sit, sometime we'll stand, sometime we'll kick. So body movement. So the movements we learn children today, how to movement our body. Okay. Verbs of body movement. We learn verbs children today. Okay. So yes. So first, hit. H-I-T, hit. Catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. Kick. K-I-C-K, kick. So next, punch. P-U-N-C-H, punch. Clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. Sit. S-I-T, sit. Run. R-U-N, run. Stand. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Talk. T-A-L-K, talk. Cry. C-R-Y, cry. Jog. J-O-G, jog. Wave. W-A-V-E, wave. Cry. Cry is finished children. So next, march. M-A-R-C-H, march. 16th one. Pick up. P-I-C-K, pick up. So 17th one. Enough children. So 16. So children, every day our body is movement children. Sit, up, down. Okay. So we learn today verbs for body movement. Okay. So hit. H-I-T, hit. Hit the ball, hit the stone, everything children. Catch. Catch the ball. Kick. Punch. Clap. Laugh. Dance. Sit. Run, stand, talk, cry, jog, wave, march, pick up. See, this always everyday movement our body. So many things children we have movement our body. So hit, H-I-T, hit. Everyone repeat children. H-I-T, hit. C-A-T-C-H, catch. Catch the ball. Kick, K-I-C-K, kick. Kick the ball. Punch. P-U-N-C-H, punch. Clap. C-L-A-P, clap. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Dance. D-A-N-C, dance. Sit. S-I-T, sit. R-U-N, run. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Run, stand. Talk. T-A-L-K, talk. Cry. C-R-Y, cry. Jog. J-O-G, jog. Wave. Slowly wave. W-A-V. March. M-A-R-C-H. march. Pick up, P-I-C-K-U-P up. So, understood children? So, every day our body is moving children here and there. Okay, so these all things will do our daily life. Understood children? Yes. So children, I'll show some pictures, verbs of body movements children. Okay. See children, hit. First one is hit. See, H-I-T, hit the ball. Catch, C-A-T-C-H, catch. Kick, K-I-C-K, kick. Punch, P-U-N-C-H, punch. Clap, C-L-A-P, clap. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. D-A-N-C, dance. S-I-T, sit. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Jog, see children, J-O-G, jog. R-U-N, run. M-A-R-C-H, march. W-A-V-E, wave. T-A-L-K, talk. Okay. Pick up, P-I-C-K-U-P, ups. Okay. So cry, C-R-Y, cry. So children, so many things are the everyday movement of a body children. Okay. Understood children? Yes. So now children, everyone take out your English classwork book. Today we will write both letters, A to big letter and small letters. Both letters children. So ready? Yes. So everyone take out classwork, 4 rule book, pencil, eraser, everything children. Yes. So ready children? So everyone should write neatly. Okay. So say and write children. Everyone say and write both letters. Big A, small a. 2, big Z, 2, small z. Means capital A, small a. Capital Z, 2, small z. Ready children? Yes. Everyone say and write. A. Big A, small a. Big B, small b. Big C, small c. Big D, small d. Big E, small e. Big F, small f. Okay children? Big G, small g. Big H, small h. Big I, small I. Big J, small j. Big K, small k. Big L, small l. Big M, small m. Big N, small n. Big O, small o. Big P, small p. Big Q, small q. Big R, small r. Big S, small s. Big T, small t. Big U, small u. Big V, small v. Big W, small w. Big X, small x. Big Y, small y. Big Z, small z. So write neatly children. Everyone should write neatly in your classwork book both letters. Okay, children? Yes. So write neatly. Say and write, children. Yes. So children, you have homework both letters. Write 3 times in your classwork book. Means homework book, children. Same as classwork. Okay. So now children, everyone take out English Learner textbook. Open, children. See page number. Yes. Page number 107. 107. Match the picture to the words. Yes, children. So here we match the picture to the words. So first one is hut. So where is the hut word, children? Here. So here H-U-T, hut. So what is this? Bug. B-U-G, bug. So tub. T-U-B, tub. Cup. C-U-P, cup. And this is bird. So B-U-D, bird. You also do in your textbook like this only, children. Circle the correct word. So what is this, children? Nut. N-U-T, nut. Circle. So jug. J-U-G, jug. Circle. Sun. S-U-N, sun. Circle. Bun. B-U-N, bun. Circle. Okay, children? So now turn the page. Match the words to the picture. So children, here will match to the picture. So what is the first? C-A-P, cap. So cap is, so where is the cap picture, children? Here. So here. So C-A-P, cap. Jug. J-U-G, jug. Pet. So P-E-T, pet. Sad. S-A-D, sad. See, children, sad smiley. Okay. So next, what is this, children? Pin. P-I-N, pin. N-E-T, net. Okay. N-E-T, net. H-U-T, hut. M-O-P, mop. Understood, children? C-A-P, cup. J-U-G, jug. P-E-T, pet. S-A-D, sad. P-I-N, pin. M-O-P, mop. H-U-T, hat. N-E-T, net. So next, turn the page, children. Listen carefully, cross out the words that you hear. T-U-B, tub. L-A-P, lap. So D-A-D, dad. So yes, children. So see, children. So T-U-B, tub. L-A-P, lap. D-A-D, dad. So L-A-P, lap. D-A-D, dad. A-A, lap, dad. So this is cross out. T-U-B, tub. P-G, pen. D-E-N, den. So these are same. H-I-T, it. Cross out. Pit, mop, hop. So mop, hop is same. So pit is cross out. Understood, children? Paste the correct stickers on the butterfly. So children, here will paste the correct stickers, children, on the butterfly wing. Mop, nod. Den, fen. Bat, sad. Sun, man. Feet and wig. So I have stickers, children. So now we'll stick. Yes, children. Yes, children. So now, first, see, P-O-D, pod. P-O-D, pod. So we'll hear same word. What is the same word, children? So same word is P-O-D, pod. R-O-D, rod. P-O-D, pod. R-O-D, rod. So next, M-D-E-N, den. So, D-E-N, den. So, den is rhyming word is M-E-N, men. Okay, children. So, B-A-T, bat. So, bat, correct word what, children? Yes, R-A-T, rat. Bat, rat. Fig. Yes, children. Fig. Fig, correct word what, children? Yes, big. B-I-G, big. Okay. Next. S-U-N, sun. So, sun, correct word is what, children? So, B-U-N, bun. See, children. Okay. P-O-D, pod, R-O-D, rod. D-E-N, den, N-E-N, man. B-A-T, bat, R-A-T, rat. S-U-N, sun, B-U-N, bun. F-I-G, fig, B-I-G, big. Now turn the page, children. Tic-tac toy. Play with your friends, have fun. This is one game, children. You play with your friend. Children, see here, teacher's tip. Children can play the game of a small group. So this game is we play small group. Under adult supervising, each player must close their eyes and place the finger on the outer side circle. More circle. So they should move their finger on the page, the circle motion to select 3 random. So children, 3 randomness. First, what children? Adult supervise. You have any adult who was supervise children? So close your eyes and touch the finger outermost circle. They should move on the picture motion. Select the random letters. At least one of the letters on vowel. The game can be played. Refers letter, sound, access, vocabulary, the bull, new words. So children, this is so first your eyes closed, children, and the outer side mouth circle, the circle motion, the random letters. Okay, children. So letters should be ovals to touch the first letters and circle motion. So what is the complete letter? That is the play. That is the game, children. You play with your friend. Okay. So next, turn the page. Yes. So write missing letters. So what is this picture, children? This is bib. So I is already there. So B-I-B, bib. So cup, C-U-P, cup. Net, N-E-T, net. F-A-N, fan. L-O-G, log. P-E-N, pen. Okay, children. B-I-B, bib. C-U-P, cup. N-E-T, net. F-A-N, fan. L-O-G, log. P-E-N, pen. Now turn the page. Side word wall. Point and read. So everyone repeat after me, children. F-R-O-M, from. R-E-A-D, read. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. L-O-O-K, look. I-T, it. Okay, children. I-T, it. D-A-Y, day. G-I-R-L, girl. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. I-T, it. T-H-I-S, this. B-O-Y, boy. C-S-H-E, she. O-F, off. B-Y, by. T-H-A-T, that. So one more time, everyone repeat after me, children. F-R-O-M, from. R-E-A-D, read. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. L-O-O-K, look. I-T, it. D-A-Y, day. G-I-R-L, girl. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. T-H-I-S, this. B-O-Y, boy. S-H-E, she. O-F, off. B-Y, by. T-H-A-T, that. Okay, children? Understood? So, children, your English class is done. So, you have homework, both letters A, capital A to small a. 2 capital Z, 2 small z. So write creative time in your classwork book. So homework book. So when your homework is completed, you take the photo and send me school email ID, children. And children, complete your textbook also. I'll check your textbook from video calling. Okay children. So complete your textbook also. Okay children. So we'll meet you next class. Bye children. Take care.